Hello and welcome again. Thank you for joining me today. So super excited about today because we're in December and we're in the last days of the year, which is, I think today is the 22nd. So we got, what, 8, 9 more days before the year ends. Are you super excited? I am excited about that because I love new beginnings. Just like I love Mondays, I can start over again. I love the new year. Not that I do resolutions because I don't do resolutions no more, you know. But what I do is acknowledge where I am at the moment, and then where I need to go from there and how far I am from that particular goal that I am reaching for. So I just continue to do what I'm doing or do it better or do more or do less and just allow it to just increase and get bigger and get better and just allow everything I was doing to explode and really be super successful. So that is my strategy, to continue to plan and to continue to be focused on exactly what I want, and continue that on into year 2020. So let me ask you a question. Are you ready for 2020? Are you ready for the new year? Now that is something that you have to ask yourself. We don't want to get ready, on the first or after, the first a couple of months later. We want to be able to get prepared and plan now. Plan out the things that you want to accomplish in 2020 and do it big and even bigger. If you thought that you done it big in 2019, well, guess what? When you are determined and focused and you know exactly what you want specifically, then you're going to be even more successful in 2020. So that's why I'm just so super excited. It's a great number. 2020 equals 4, and 4 is one of my favorite numbers perhaps, and it's a good thing. It's a good thing. And the energy of starting new and starting over and bringing new ideas to 2020, and that challenge to really bring it and up level your life in so many different type of ways. So are you ready for the new year 2020? And if you're not, then you need to get ready for it right now and not wait until 2020 gets here, because believe it or not, it might be too late, So you want to start off running and not, crawling or walking or anything, because 2019 was the year that you did it big and you were walking, and you're running, and now you're just going to speed race it in 2020. I believe that for you right now, but you have to get into that mindset right now. You have to get into that space that you're going to do it better, you're going to do it bigger, that you're going to reach all of your goals, even the goals that you didn't reach in 2019. That's okay. You're going to be able to reach it in 2020, because if you are already pressing forward to accomplishing that goal, then that momentum is going to go into the new year 2020. Does that make sense? So I'm really super excited for you. I'm really super excited for myself, really to do it even bigger in 2020. It's really a great year for all of us to really change some things about ourselves, and the way that we were thinking, the way that we were doing things in our lives, the way that was continuing into the same patterns that haven't served us at all in any type of way. So you want to get into that mode right now and think about what are the things that went well in 2019, what are the things that didn't, what are the things that I need to continue to work towards, what are the things that I need to change about all aspects of your life, whether you are an entrepreneur or you're, a mom, or whoever you are, you have to think about, how I can get better, how I can make the change, for myself so that perhaps I can be able to help other people, so we get better, not only for ourselves, but also for other people so that we will be able to serve them, in the right place, 100%, giving our all. And, that is very important to be at our ultimate at every moment. Don't you agree? So are you ready for 2020? That is just my question for you right now, for you to go ahead and think about it, because I know you've been thinking about it already, but you may have some type of distractions in regards to, the holidays and going to this party, going to this event, putting this together, cooking this, doing this, shopping for this person, shopping for that person, it's a lot of things going on now, isn't it? And a lot of things that you have to do, but that's okay. That's okay, and that's the way it is, around the holidays, but you can still get focused, whenever you have that time out to really visualize exactly what you want to do in 2020. Who do you need to become? What you need to do, and how you're going to do that and get there. So this is the opportunity, in order for you to be ahead of the game, so if you're already starting to, to plan and prepare and have your vision together and everything at this moment right now, then you are already ahead of the game. Then you're going to go in 2020 just, kicking butt for real, being super confident and super brave and operating in love the way that you're supposed to, and really knowing exactly what you need to do at every moment. Now, don't you want to be that person, or do you just want to wait and stagnate and thinking that, there's no growth for me, I don't need to up level it, I could continue to do what I'm doing? Hey, if it works, then that's great. But if it's not working, then you need to rethink that. And why not go up level it and go higher, higher and deeper into your purpose, higher and deeper into the people that you serve, higher and deeper of becoming a better you. Why not think about those type of things, right now, so that you could be able to be your best, so that you will have a clear vision and path for yourself, so that you will be successful and not stumble or fall, so that you can hold on to your victory, so that you can be, the person that you always wanted to be, so that you will be able to unlock the things that, that you've been waiting for in your life, so that you'll be able to see the opportunities and finally walk into that door and take that, So you want to be able to do that right now. Don't be like everybody else. You need to stand out like you know how to stand out, and be a leader and go forth with your vision, a clear vision, and execute that and be successful, so that you'll be able to help somebody else and teach somebody else that. Okay, does that make sense? So are you ready for year 2020? I know that I am. I am super ready. It really gives me, more hope. It really motivates me and inspires me, It really brings on a new type of energy. It really brings on a different type of, thought pattern and mindset that I have about 2020. It allows me to, go over my failures and the things that I didn't accomplish, and all the, the things surrounded in 2019 that didn't work for me, and to really bring it into 2020 to make some big, gigantic changes, to be happy, to be successful, to hit my goals, to actualize my dreams. I look forward to doing that, and I hope that you are too. I'm always here for you and to support you, and if you are on the page, and you could go to my bio and click on the link, there's always something free for you to be able to utilize and help you grow into your business personally and in your life. So please do take advantage of that. And I'm going to have some upcoming things that I just want to be able to share with you and give to you, you know, so that you'll be able to grow and have the direction that you need in your life, and everything, you know, is goes smoothly for you in regards to my services. So I'm looking forward to support you. If you have any questions or any comments, put that below, or message me or contact me, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions, your concerns, or whatever. So thank you once again. I really truly appreciate you coming on with me and connecting with me today. I can't wait to continue to connect with you. I can't wait to see what is going to come forth in 2020, what exactly I'm going to have for you in order to enhance your life, your quality of life. I can't wait for that to come forth and actualize that, so that, you know, not only I'm making, you know, becoming a better person, but I'm helping you to do the same and even more and beyond. So this is your girl, Charity Aumora. Thank you once again, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.